Alright, here's that T600 12.7 Detroit 10-speed. It's a consignment for a customer. I've sold several pieces for him before. He's a good, honest guy. He only ran this one for probably a year or so. Was a 470 horse Detroit. He had it reflashed to 550, and on the other side here you'll see it's got he did it right. He upgraded the turbocharger and the exhaust manifold. She's got 1.3 million on it. He has no other engine history other than what he's done to it. It has been apart. I don't know if you can see in the video, but the cylinder head has no paint on it, so I mean, it's been rebuilt at some point, but we don't know when. Since he's had it, he did the alternator, starter, air compressor, and put a clutch in it. With the year, I'm not sure. It does have the heavier duty alternator or AC compressor bracket, and on the driver's side here, I think it's been added on this one here. It's got this extra bracket to stabilize the timing cover, otherwise they would leak between the engine there. Clean running truck.